Good evening, all. Thanks for joining. Am I audible? Hello. Yeah, right. Thank you. So today the concept is how to create a manual mission catalog, and from the manual mission catalog, how to create the delivery groups, deploying and delivering the applications and desktop. So let me connect to the delivery controller server first, and I need to verify the health status of the delivery controller. Go to services.msc on the delivery controller. So all the services are up and running. Then we can start open the studio console. Click yes. So this is a general statement for the Windows updates, and close the Windows updates settings here. So right now the site is already configured. Now we are going to create a machine catalog. So click on machine catalog. Now can click on next, and there are three options are available. If you are using a virtual machine or maybe a physical machine, if that is a server operating system, you want to deliver multi-session with that operating system, either Windows Server or maybe Linux operating system, you can select this option. Second option is single session operating system. If it is a virtual machine and it is a desktop operating system like Windows 10, Windows 11, and you can deliver a single session, you can use the second option. And third option is if any physical machine and you want to deliver a machine to the user work at any time concept, you can use a remote PC. So it is a physical catalog. So now in this scenario, we have already created a virtual machine with a server operating system. We are going to use the first option for multi-session operating system. Click on next. Now you can see here the first option is grayed out. The first option is grayed out. That means, okay, that means we are not managing any hypervisor with a studio console. So in the next session, I'm going to deploy a vCenter server, and with the vCenter server also, I can use this first option to deliver the desktop and applications. But today's session, I'm not using the first option. I'm going to use the second option and another service technology. This is called manual catalog, MCS, PVS, and manual catalog. Click on next. Now you can select the computers from Active Directory users and computer by clicking add computer here. So yesterday I created Raj VDA, sorry, Raj MAN. The mission was created, and similarly, few more missions I have seen today, like you can see here DAY man DAY and check names. I think one by one I need to add here. Click OK, the first mission, and add another computer DAY-MAN. Check names. I think this name is not properly created. So can you please check that? So your name and reflecting is not perfectly that. BUC. Now BUC, Buchi, you have created successfully. So now click OK. So here, so this DAY mission, okay, DAY mission is not properly created. So see here, the machine is not joined with the domain controller also. Okay. So can you please check that? I think only Raj mission and BUC machine only was created. And click on next. And we need to create a machine catalog. Example, a machine catalog is manual, Windows 2016, multi-session catalog. And click finish. So I successfully created a machine catalog with the manual method. So the next step is I'm going to deliver the desktops and applications from the machine catalog, which I created. Click on delivery groups. Next, and what are the machine catalogs you created previously? That missions will be showing here and the machine catalogs will be showing here. You can select and how many missions you want to add to the delivery group. For assigning the desktop and assigning applications to the user, you can select it. So right now, two missions are available in the particular mission catalog. I'm selecting both missions from the mission catalog to create a delivery group. See, choose number of missions for this delivery group. Next, hey, you wants to deliver these applications on desktop to the users. Any particular users you want to deliver it? Yes, you can provide a user like that. Example, the user ID I need to create it from AD level. Okay, AD level. So let's go to AD. Okay, let's go to AD DSA.MSC. DSA.MSC. So here we have the users are there. So I'm going to create some test users for testing the connectivity of application desktop and application from Citrix. So user one. Okay. Next. And providing the password. I'm providing the password is cloud@123 capital C. Like that, I'll create a couple of users like a user 2, user 3, like that. Done. So like that, you can create multiple missions. So for your practice, you can create user 3, user 4, user 5, user 6. Based on your convenient, you can create it. So now the user 1 and user 2, I'm providing access to this application. Okay. And I'm going to deliver applications as well as the desktops. Okay. So applications currently I didn't install any application on the Raj man mission or maybe BUC man, but just for a sample purpose today, I'm going to deliver from the start menu. Normally we have a notepad or maybe some applications are there, we can deliver it. Otherwise, you can click cancel it. Okay, you can click cancel it and you can select manually. You can browse it from the system and you can get it. But right now there is no powered on the missions can be browsed and you cannot powered on the mission directly. So that's a problem is here. So what we can do now, the executable part, you can take it from like this, Raj hyphen MAN hyphen 001. Is that correct, right? 001. And backslash ctn.com backslash c dollar backslash. Let's check that whether it is working or not. The application cannot be empty. No, it's not working. Then we can do one thing. In C drive, Windows system 32. Notepad. Let me check the path of Notepad. Go to start Notepad, open file location. So this is a path actually. Okay. C programs data. C program files data is there. C Windows system 32. Yeah, Notepad. Now I'm going back to the server. System 32. So here I need to select the Notepad. So even the Notepad is not visible here. Maybe this is a directory. And the executable location, maybe you can consider like this. So percentile system root, like that you can take it. Then notepad.exe we can provide. Notepad.exe we can provide an application name Notepad. Click OK. If it is not working, we need to troubleshoot that issue. Okay. I think application display cannot be empty. Application name also here, Notepad. Click OK. Perfect. So Notepad was selected. So like that way, you can deploy a different applications based on your convenient after installing the application on the VDA server. Now you can click add the desktop name, like example, manual Windows 2016. And now click OK. And we need to provide this machine also to the specific people. You can add the people here like this, user 1 and user 2. Okay. So only these users able to access it. But actually right now I created with a user directly. I'm providing the permissions, but in real-time environment, we create a security group and deploying an applications and desktop. Even that concept also I'll explain in Citrix administration topic. And click on next. And finally, you need to provide the delivery group. So delivery group is DC underscore manual Windows 2016 applications and desktop. Okay. And click finish. So we successfully completed mission catalogs and delivery groups. Okay. So as of now, any questions here?
సార్ ఆ పాత్ సెలెక్ట్ చేశారు కదా అది ఎలా సార్ అది
ఎలా సెలెక్ట్ చేయాలంటున్నారా? ఓకే, గుడ్ క్వశ్చన్. So very simple. Any application, if you want to check that, so if you go to the system, okay, if you go to the system, any application, example Adobe Reader, you want to publish. Maybe if that application was installed on the VDS server, you can find out like this. So right click on the application. We have a more option is there. Open file location is there. Okay. So based on that, you can find out that exact path of the application.
Okay, sir.
Right.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Otherwise, I'll give you one more tip also. If you click that, right click, go here, and sometimes we have some kind of properties also is there, application properties. There also you can find out. Let's take an example. Maybe this is a Mozilla Firefox. You can right click and go to properties, and here you will get a executable path. This is the executable path. Okay. So
okay, sir.
This is the way you can find out the paths. Huh?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right, no problem. Any other question?
వీడియో ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసినప్పుడు ఈ అప్లికేషన్స్ అన్ని వస్తాయా సార్ అట్లా అంటే మన సర్వర్లోకి?
So that's what I'm stopping here. So what I'm suggesting you. Okay. So today, what is our homework is in Raj mission and BUC MAN mission and your mission also, Shiva. Okay, your wish. Okay. So what you need to do, at least you can find out some important applications on internet like VLC player, Adobe Flash player, okay, VNSCP, different application, irrespective of any application like Microsoft Teams, Cisco WebEx, okay, different Teams applications you can install it, okay, so that you can do it by today. So every student 5 application you need to install, and the next session I'll show you how to deliver the applications to the users in a different applications in different level. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. So now I'm stopping here. So the homework is what you need to do. You need to create a mission catalog and you need to create a delivery group. Okay. You need to create a mission catalog and you need to create a delivery group. So right now I already created. So mission catalog and delivery group. I will remove it and you can do it once again. Okay. Suppose Shiva is creating now. So once Shiva is created, and you can delete it, Shiva. Then you can inform to Buchi and Buchi will do that. Okay. Once Buchi is completed and he will update it to other person. So some dial, some person is there. He will do that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Clear? So
Clear.
now I'm going to remove the delivery groups. Okay. How to remove the delivery groups also I'm showing you in the same session. Carefully you can watch here. Okay. Select the delivery group. Select the delivery group. You can remove the missions from the delivery group, then delete the delivery group. That's a perfect steps you need to perform. Otherwise, the missions will get deleted. So what you need to do, here we have a add missions are available, right? You have a edit delivery group is there. When you click on edit delivery group, so here only users, desktops, application, these are the options are there. Missions is not showing here. Okay, missions are not showing here. So what we need to do, you need to delete the delivery group option is there. You can click here and maintenance mode is turned off for the selection of delivery group. Or should you want to delete the delivery group? Yes. So once you click yes, now the delivery group successfully it is removed from this console. Then you can go to the machine catalog. In this machine catalog, whenever you are removing the machine catalog, there is an option is coming. You can check that manual machine catalog. So see guys, right click, delete. Machine catalog is there. There is an option called view missions. View missions are there. Now these missions showing you what are the missions are available in the particular machine catalog. Individually you can select and you can manage it. Right click, see, there's an option called delete. When you click delete, remove the virtual machine from the catalog. Okay, not deleting the virtual machine. So virtual machine still exists on the hypervisor. That's a VMware environment. You don't have any problem. So what you need to do, only just to delete it. Okay. Now finally, you need to remove the machine catalog. So go to machine catalog. Right click and delete machine catalog. So any other questions?
No, sir.
No, it's a matter
No,
of 10 to 15 minute job only. So what I'll do, I'll stop the record now. Then in the same call, if anyone is free, I'll start the jump server. You can connect and you can finish your task. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. Good.